moment we stop placing materials into boxes, creativity expands. And I speak from experience. Hello everyone. My name is Veronica Olivier. I'm a South African textile artist, creative educator, speaker, and founder of the Suikerbosrand Art Association. So today my work combines recycled textiles, thread, paint, oil pastels, stitching, plastics, fiber, found materials into layered artworks that blur the lines between fine art and textile art. Why don't I just paint? And the answer is very simple, because for me, textiles carries a memory. A favorite scarf, a wedding dress, a uniform, a favorite jersey. Fabric is very personal. When I work with recycled textiles, I am not only working sustainably, but I am also working very emotionally. So there is something deeply powerful about transforming, especially discarded materials, into something beautiful.